In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a project timeline on monday.com. First thing you'll want to do is log into your monday.com account. Once you're in, look for the option to create a new project board. Click on Add followed by New Board. Here you'll have the choice to either start from scratch or make use of the project management template that monday.com offers. After deciding, go ahead and name your board something that reflects the project you're working on, like Marketing Campaign Timeline or Website Launch Plan. With your board created, it's time to add some essential columns. These columns provide the structure you'll need for your project timeline. Start with the item name column to list each task or milestone. Next, add a people column to assign team members responsible for each task. You'll also want to include a timeline column which lets you set start and end dates for your tasks. A status column comes in handy to track the progress of each task, marking them as not started, in progress, or done. Consider adding a dependencies column to connect tasks that rely on each other, and optionally, a priority column to indicate the urgency of tasks. Once your columns are set up, the next step is to switch to the timeline view for a better visual representation of your project. At the top right corner of your board, click on the option to Add View and select Timeline. This will display all your tasks along a date range, much like a Gantt chart, giving you a clear visual flow of your project. Now let's customize this timeline view to better suit your needs. Click the settings icon. This is in the top right corner where you'll find options to choose your date column and adjust how tasks are grouped. You can group by owner, status, or project phase according to what makes most sense for your team. Don't forget to set your timescale to day, week, month, or even quarter, depending on your project's timeline. As you work within the timeline view, remember that you can easily drag and drop tasks to reschedule them. Doing so will automatically update the dates on your main board. Another handy feature is adding milestones. Open the timeline column, mark significant tasks such as design complete or launch as milestones. These will appear as diamond icons on your timeline, making them easy to spot. To save time and streamline your process, use monday.com's automations. Automations can handle repetitive tasks like notifying an owner when a date arrives, moving an item when its status changes to done, or sending an update when a timeline ends. To set these up, head to the Automation Center from the top bar and activate the recipes you need. If you need an overview of multiple projects at once, turn to the dashboard. By adding a timeline widget, you can view several project boards in a unified timeline. Customize this view with colors, date ranges, and grouping as needed. For sharing your project plans with clients or stakeholders, you have options too. Click the three dots in the top right of the timeline view to either export to Excel or print. You can also share your dashboard as a public link, making it easy to keep everyone informed. And that's it. Your project timeline is now ready on monday.com. Follow these steps and you'll have a comprehensive overview of all your projects, making it easier than ever to stay on track and in sync with your team.